A typical morning before school, my brother and sister happily munching on Rice Krispie treats. Picture my brother, mid-bite, suddenly hit by a sneeze attack. Desperate to contain it, he twisted his head, flailed his arms, and unleashed a sneeze tornado. The unintended target? None other than my sister, now wearing Rice Krispie treats like an avant-garde facial mask. The chaos didn't end there. The sugary shrapnel triggered a chain reaction. First, my sister started dry heaving, then my mom, and shockingly, even my brother couldn't escape the contagious dry heaves. It was a symphony of chaos, turning an ordinary morning into a hilarious spectacle of breakfast mishaps. Life's unpredictability, especially when combined with sneezes and Rice Krispie treats, knows no bounds.